Semsonsing T College along pini HS second year asadlang ki undun atum aphan karcho pado pon. Nizang karbiang long watalang so Semsonsing T College along pini nipai great truck aru achiklo surihini rain koira ke thomarni HS asadlang angdeng ki undun ke mesen ajok pini banghini aphan karcho pado pon lo. Semsonsing T College along peneng an mate surihini rain koira ke thomarni kan ki undun R stream pen bang Parohinira phokebra ke thomla pen commerce stream pen bang plikebra pho anchepa undun rinti bang rumpet pen bang parohinira troxy kebra ner kep an ke charlia klim somar atum han second year angdeng asadlang chepa undun lo bang so chepa undun along ke chingsiang deng akas das alangli pharo ke thomra trok ner kebra isi an number chepa long dun si trok ner kebra trok an chepa undun lo Bangso HS second year asadlang ki undun abang pu bang phi aphan than bang atuma hin pen ningkang sam pen bang putin aphan sitame gamusa pen karcho pado pono bangso ajai mek along aluhi aman pen nang chetong dun lipson be president la pen XMLA Dr Mensing rong pi la pen exam atum pen sitame nang chetong dun wothalang so pen khati so kido live.
So many speakers already they speak about this felicitation meeting. Now we'll go to the next agenda, that is felicitation for the pass out students in HS final examination and TDC 6th semester final examination. And in the same time, I'd like to appeal our students, few students, those who pass out successfully, they will also speak few words how they able to achieve good result for this college. For them, they will also speak few words. So HS final examination for the session 2022 and 23 from Semsonsing engti College. In our stream, one number of students got distinction, one number of students got star mark, then 7 number of students got first division with letter, and 52 number of students pass in second division, and 192 students pass out in third division. So in all total, 253 students pass out in our stream, and our percentage is 90%. এবছর আমার Semsonsing engti মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা এজনে ডিস্টিংশন পাইছে 5টা বিষয়ত লেটাৰ নম্বৰ সহ, এজনে ষ্টাৰ মাৰ্ক পাইছে 4টা বিষয়ত লেটাৰ নম্বৰ সহ, আৰু 7জন ষ্টুডেণ্টে প্ৰথম বিভাগত উত্তীৰ্ণ হ'বলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে, আৰু দ্বিতীয় বিভাগত 52 number of students pass. Among that 2 number of students got letter mark. আৰু তৃতীয় বিভাগত 192 জন ষ্টুডেণ্ট পাছ হ'বলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে, আৰু এই 192 জনৰ ভিতৰত এজন ষ্টুডেণ্টে ইকনমিক্স বিষয়ত অৰ্থনীতি বিভাগত লেটাৰ নাপাবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে, তৃতীয় বিভাগত উত্তীৰ্ণ হয়। গতিকে টোটেল 253 number of students